It's a unique project because the young people get a chance to come together in a friendly, creative environment, and they have complete ownership of what we do here.
My full name is David Williams, but everybody tends to know me as Di. Well, I first came across Mentrau's work when I was in secondary school. They first encouraged us to go on a lot of trips and things like that, and also it was very handy as well because at the time we just formed a band. You know, they gave us a place to practice, helped us compose songs, and yeah, basically helped us through the Battle of the Bands process with BBC Radio Cymru, who I work for now. Yeah, so it's great.
In North West Wales, where the population is over 50% Welsh speakers, only 5% of the workforce in adult education were Welsh speakers. That was 12 years ago. Through the funding received through Mentrau Iaith, we're now up to 25% of the workforce.
We were aware that there was a lack of Welsh nursery care provision on the coastal strip here in Cymru. We invested 15,000 to employ someone for a year to develop the project. We managed to turn £400,000 in grant money, secure a building, refurbish the building, employ 9 people, and by now it provides daycare for 28 children every day.
My time, I wanted to invest in Aberdewi because initially I could see that youngsters weren't wanting to speak Welsh after a certain age, trying to bridge the gap and create greater awareness in Swansea. For me, we have a huge amount to sell in terms of culture. How do you get it going? You take a punt, and literally bought flags for the tune of about £600 and said, okay, how do you actually get people out on the street?